Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to become super soldier and use LMGA Kimbo in this new feature, gun blazing. So what you need to do is click the feature at the bottom of your screen, and this is guns blazing. What gun blazing is, so 8 players kill each other like free for all, and you earn 1 point after killing the enemy, and after every time you kill or die, your rage value increase by 100, and make it until 500 and you will become super soldier and you will get chopper akimbo. So the map is limit like standoff, rush, kill house, firing range, shoot house, and shipment. So let's try the gun blazing. Click the gun blazing and let's get started. Yeah, welcome to gun blazing. As you can see at the top of your screen, there are 500 points that you can collect until killing the enemy. Yeah, let's search the enemy and get the points. As you can see, range value x 100. Even we die, we get 100 points. So let's collect the point until 500. 300. As you can see, this is a super schedule that I told you before. So I will become super soldier with 500. This is the super schedule that I mentioned before, but I'll die. If you die, your point back to 0. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.